Need to tweak your Overleaf resume but hate LaTeX coding? I'll show you a secret trick to edit any Overleaf template online. No installations, no tech skills, and it's 100% free. Let's dive in. Go to overleaf.com, open your resume template, and click Download. Choose PDF format. Save it somewhere easy to find like your desktop. Now open google.com and search for PDF editor. I recommend sageda.com. Click the first link, upload your PDF, and wait for processing. Here's the magic. Use the text tool to change words, fonts, or colors. Need to reorder sections? Just drag and drop. Most editors even let you add photos, shark logos. Perfect for personal branding. Just saved hours of frustration? Smash that like button. For more career hack tutorials, subscribe. I drop new videos every week.